Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine at home. This is our KUW book and today we're gonna start our new topic which is Earth and things on Earth. First of all we will discuss about what is Earth. Earth is the place where we live. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and we all know that Earth is our home planet. Now we will discuss about things on Earth. We have a lot of things on Earth like sunlight, water, air, mountains, deserts, plains, rivers, birds, animals, trees, flowers, transportation, rocks and minerals. Here I have an assignment for you students. Draw 3 pictures which we find on the earth and 3 under the earth. Like you can draw the picture of tree, flower, butterfly. These things are present on the earth. And you can make a picture of radish, carrot and snake. These are present under the earth. Thank